ask you something. Do you have a doctor you feel confident in? And how much do you trust them? It might seem like a strange question, but if you take a moment to read through the comments on health-related videos, you'll notice more and more people complaining about their doctors and the treatments they recommend. I believe there are many reasons for this dissatisfaction, but there's one that stands out to me as the biggest. How many doctors do you know who actually have good health habits, who don't smoke, don't drink, and maintain a healthy weight? I bet it's not that many. A lot of them aren't in great health themselves because of these bad habits. Another issue is medication. We live in a time where pills are prescribed for everything, without first considering more natural, healthier, and cheaper alternatives. Alternatives that worked for generations before us, but have now been forgotten. To make things worse, many doctors prescribe medications they wouldn't recommend to their own families or even take themselves. So, it's understandable that people are feeling dissatisfied and losing trust, don't you think? Share your opinion in the comments. That's why, in today's video, we want to share with you the wisdom of Dr. Leo Bokeria, a doctor who, at the age of 85, is still performing heart surgeries and saving thousands of lives. Dr. Bokeria has received numerous awards and high-profile recognitions throughout his career. He has dedicated his life to medicine and cardiac research, becoming an inventor with hundreds of important patents. He became quite famous for challenging the pharmaceutical industry, particularly certain heart medications that he believes are very harmful to health. Many of you might even be taking some of these medications right now. But you know what's even more incredible about his story? It's not just his 50 years of experience as a heart surgeon. It's not even his track record of over 5,000 surgeries. What's most impressive is that he practices what he preaches, and at such an advanced age, he's still going strong, proving that age is often just a number. In this video, we're going to share with you the key teachings of the acclaimed Dr. Leo Bokeria, so that you too can live a longer, healthier life. We've read several of his interviews, and are bringing you all of Dr. Bokeria's secrets about health and nutrition directly to you. Stay with us until the end, because we're going to share a simple tip that anyone can start using today. We'll also show you a homemade recipe that Dr. Bokeria uses himself and recommends to all his patients and friends. If you want to feel better and live a healthier life, no matter what challenges you've faced or are facing, I encourage you to make a promise, not to me, but to yourself. Write, "My strength is unlimited," in the comments below. It might seem like a small thing, but it's not. Studies show that saying something positive out loud can actually motivate your brain and make it easier to reach your goals. Do you know someone who cares about their health? Share this video with them. They'll be grateful you did. Let's start with how Dr. Bokeria thinks about food. For him, eating isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body to live a long, healthy life. He believes that the foods you eat today can either help or hurt how you'll feel tomorrow. So, he makes sure to choose foods that aren't just tasty, but also help his body stay strong and his heart stay healthy. Dr. Bokeria focuses on foods that are natural and fresh. He avoids heavily processed foods, which are often filled with chemicals and unhealthy fats. Instead, he picks ingredients that help lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and fight inflammation, things that are super important for keeping your heart in tip-top shape. All right, I get it. That doesn't tell you much. But hang on, we're about to show you exactly what Dr. Bokeria eats in a day, and it's pretty impressive. His meals aren't fancy or complicated, but they're packed with nutrients. Let's start from the beginning. Every morning, before he eats anything, Dr. Bokeria drinks 2 large glasses of water. He believes this helps wake up his body after a long night and gets everything working smoothly, especially his digestion. Then for breakfast, he keeps it simple but healthy. He usually eats oats. These are full of fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol. Plus, they keep you full for a long time so you're not hungry again right away. Berries. Things like strawberries and blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which are like little protectors for your heart. Yogurt. A natural yogurt, without too much sugar, helps keep your gut healthy with good bacteria. Seeds. He adds chia or flax seeds, which are rich in omega-3, a kind of healthy fat that's great for your heart. He might have a cup of coffee or tea with breakfast, depending on how much energy he needs that day. For lunch, Dr. Bokeria likes to keep things balanced. He often eats grilled fish, salmon, or sardines, which are loaded with omega-3 fats that help keep your heart healthy. Salad, a big plate of fresh vegetables like spinach, arugula, and tomatoes. These give you vitamins and fiber, which help your body stay strong and digest food well. Olive oil. He uses this as a salad dressing because it's full of healthy fats that fight inflammation. He also eats some quinoa or brown rice for energy that lasts through the day. And he always reminds people to eat slowly and enjoy each bite. This helps with digestion and makes you feel full without overeating. Dr. Bokeria doesn't skip snacks, but he keeps them light. In the afternoon, he might have a piece of fruit, like an apple or pear, a handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, which are good for your heart and keep you satisfied. For dinner, he prefers eating early, around 6 or 7 p.m. He usually has something light, like vegetable soup or a light broth. These are easy on the stomach and comforting. A small portion of lean protein, like chicken breast or eggs. Cooked veggies, like broccoli or zucchini, which are full of fiber and help with digestion. Now that you understand what to eat and why, here's something interesting. One of Dr. Bokeria's biggest secrets is something called intermittent fasting. This means that sometimes he doesn't eat for 12 to 16 hours, usually from his early dinner until the next morning. He believes this gives his body time to rest and reset. Fasting can help reduce inflammation, lower blood sugar levels, and even help the body repair itself. Dr. Bokeria also emphasizes the importance of staying hydrated. He drinks about 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Why? Because water helps your heart pump blood more easily and keeps all your organs working smoothly. He even has a simple trick to figure out how much water you need. Multiply your weight, in kilograms, by 35. So, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should drink about 2.5 liters of water a day. Aside from food, Dr. Bokeria has other habits that help him stay healthy and full of energy, even at almost 90 years old. He believes that small, simple things can make a big difference over time. Daily walks. Every day, Dr. Bokeria takes a walk outside. It helps with circulation and clears his mind. Even just 15 minutes can make a difference. Meditation and deep breathing. He sets aside time to relax, meditate, and breathe deeply. He believes this helps reduce stress and keeps his heart healthy. Stretching. Every morning he stretches to get his muscles and joints ready for the day. It helps prevent injuries and keeps him flexible. Good sleep. He makes sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night because it's important for overall health and recovery. Staying connected. He also believes that spending time with friends and family is important for emotional health. Having good social connections can reduce stress and make life more enjoyable. While Dr. Bokeria focuses on eating healthy, he also avoids certain foods that he believes are harmful to the heart. Here's his list of foods to stay away from. Fried and processed foods. These are full of unhealthy fats that can clog your arteries. Sugary drinks and snacks. Too much sugar can lead to diabetes and heart problems. Processed meats. Things like sausages and bacon are high in salt and chemicals that raise blood pressure. Margarine and hydrogenated fats. These increase bad cholesterol and can block your arteries. Too much salt. Eating too much salt raises blood pressure, which makes the heart work harder. Now we've reached the best part. Remember at the beginning of the video when I told you I was going to share a special recipe with you? Well, one of Dr. Bokeria's favorite breakfasts is oatmeal, and he has a special recipe that he recommends for heart health. Here's how you can make it. Half a cup of oats, 1 cup of water or plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, a pinch of sea salt, fresh berries, 1 teaspoon of honey, if you like it sweeter. The recipe is quite easy to make. Cook the oats with water or milk, then add the cinnamon and salt. Stir in the chia or flax seeds and top with fresh berries. If you want, drizzle a little honey for sweetness. Dr. Bokeria says this oatmeal is great for the heart because it helps lower cholesterol, keeps your blood pressure steady, and provides antioxidants that protect your body from damage. As you can see, Dr. Bokeria's tips for a healthy life are simple but powerful. By eating natural, fresh foods, staying hydrated, and following a few daily habits, he believes anyone can improve their heart health and live a longer, happier life. Whether it's eating a bowl of oatmeal, going for a walk, or practicing gratitude, small changes can make a big difference over time. So, what do you think? Are you ready to start taking care of your heart like Dr. Bokeria? I really hope so. If you feel this video helped you in any way, give it a like so we know you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.